I have discovered a game-changing strategy to start making money on YouTube from day one, even if your channel is new. Usually, you have to wait until you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time to join the YouTube Partner Program. But I'm going to show you the smart way to start earning without waiting for that. This means you can start a YouTube channel today and begin making money tomorrow. If you have been holding back because you think you had to wait months or years to monetize, stick around because this strategy will change the game for you. I already have faceless YouTube channels that I'm running and I'm monetizing those faceless YouTube channels from day one with this strategy that I will share with you, okay? And as you can see, this is one of my faceless YouTube channels that's it's already monetized, making money from AdSense, as you can see. Also, this channel is making money from a business called affiliate marketing, and I will show you step by step how we can do this thing. You can see this channel made $14,394 in the last 28 days. Okay, I will re-upload the page. So for people who, if you think it's a screenshot or something else, I'm gonna re-upload the page. You guys can see, so you can get a clear idea, and you can believe and you can see the potential of YouTube, and that YouTube can change your life. Okay, and here you go, the numbers are still the same numbers. Anyway, so what you will do, so pay close attention please. You will start a faceless YouTube channel like this one about audio books. Okay, pay close attention please. You will start a faceless YouTube channels like this. It's super easy to make. It will take just to make a video, it's gonna take just between 30 and 20 minutes from your time. Okay, so this channel is uploading faceless YouTube videos about books. Okay, you guys can see like this one, for example, you become what you think, like this book. Those videos doesn't require to show your face or use your voice, and you can monetize those videos from day one. Okay, from the first day that you will post this video, I will show you how we can do it step by step. So let's pick, for example, this one. Okay, you become what you think. You guys can see this channel also is monetized, and it's also making money from AdSense. So if you want to start making money on YouTube from day one, you guys can start an example like this one, like this faceless YouTube channel. This channel upload audio books videos, and it's making a lot of money from those videos. Okay, not from AdSense, it's from affiliate marketing. Okay, you guys can see it's this channel is already monetized also with AdSense, and they also have a website. They are selling those books. Okay, and this is exactly what I will show you, and how we can start like this business. It's super easy and it's simple. You just need to follow those methods and strategies that I will share with you in this video, and you can make money from day one. If you scroll down, you guys can see that those videos are getting a lot of views. You see this, thousands of views. You see, like this one, 443,000 views. Okay, it's just in 6 months, which is good. This video made so much money for the owner of this channel, not from AdSense but from affiliate marketing. Okay, so for example, let's pick this one. Let's choose this video. I'm gonna show you step by step how we can create like this one and monetize it with affiliate marketing. I'm gonna choose this one. You become what you think. So what I will do, I will copy the title of this video like this, like this, and go to ChatGPT. Go to Google, search for ChatGPT. It's for free, and you can use this AI to create a good and an engaging script for your videos, for those videos that you will use to promote your affiliate links. So pay close attention. Go to ChatGPT, click here click on message and ask him create okay an engaging YouTube script, okay, about this book, okay, and talk just about the most important parts. Okay, and I will put the name of the book here. You become what you think. This one, you become what you think, the secret to transform your life. And I will delete this, and they will click here, and you will get an engaging and a professional YouTube script. Okay, it's just pay close attention, just follow those steps that I'm sharing with you. Okay, you guys can see this is the intro, this is your title, you become what you think, transform your life today. This is the book. It's so ChatGPT will give you the most important parts about this book. You guys can see. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into a life changing book that will transform the way you think about way thinking. It's called You Become What You Think, the secret. If you are ready, and here you go, you will get a good and engaging YouTube script. What you need to do is you need to turn this script into voiceover. So let me show you how you can do it. So key points number one, the power of focusing, thinking. You see guys, will give you the most important parts. Key point two, limiting beliefs hold you back. You see this? And you have key point three, the role of gratitude, and so much more. So this it's you will get a good and an engaging script. So pay close attention. All right, let's jump in the central message of book. Okay, I will copy this part. Okay, or let's go and start from here. Key point number two, the power of focusing thinking. Okay, so what you will do, you will copy this part. I will copy this. Okay, let me copy this one, and you need to turn this script into voiceover. So go to Google and search for this website. Let me show you. Go to Google and search for PlayHT. Okay, this website. It's for free. Search for PlayHT. Click on this link here and sign up using your email address. And that's it. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page. So what you will do, click here on voice, change voice, and choose the voiceover that you want to use for your videos. Let's check this one.
So yeah, the overview effect refers to that.
You see?
Oh yes, the deep sea.
They have a great and professional voiceovers, high quality from different countries, from America, Canada, Australia, South Africa, and so much more. I'm gonna choose like this one. This one is good.
Oh yes, the deep sea.
This one is good for audiobooks. I'm gonna choose this one. Arsenio. Okay, anyway, I'm gonna click on this voiceover, and they will scroll down, and they will click on confirm. Okay, and I will put my YouTube script here like this. You see this? And what you will do next, okay, I'm gonna add more. Let's go to ChatGPT, and I will copy this part here. Okay, let's add this one to this one, and they will go back to PlayHT, and they will put this part here. Okay, now it's good. So what I will do, you just need to click on generate speech. I don't want to make this video too much long for you guys. I want to give you the idea, then you can go and apply this idea for your YouTube videos and make your videos long, up to 10, 20, 30 minutes or whatever you want. Okay, so you just need to wait for this script to be recorded, and what you will do next is you need to download this voiceover to your laptop, and I will show you how you can make the video. Then we will show you guys how you can monetize this video so you can start making money from day one. And here you go, your voiceover will be, your script is recorded. Click on export, click on as a single audio file, and here you go, your voiceover will be downloaded into your laptop. What you will do next, you will go to Google and search for Canva. Search for this website. It's for free and it's easy to use, and you can use it super easy. This will be your home page. Click over here on video and just click on, let me show you, click on YouTube video, click on YouTube video, and you will be directly in this page. Here is what you will do next. You will click here on upload, click on upload file, and just go to download and upload the voiceover from PlayHT, this one. Okay, that's talking about.
First up, the book.
You see, click on open, Just click on open, and here you go. Your voiceover will be over here. Click on your voiceover, and your voiceover will be under your page here, and click over here on add page, and add more pages that will be matched with your voiceover. Okay, let me show you. It's super easy. Like, this is the easy business that you can start. And here you go. So what you will do, let's go back. If we go back to this YouTube channel, you guys can see that this video is super easy. Let me show you the video. You see this video? You don't need to show your face. You see this?
Every day. Imagine a life where your dreams aren't just aspirations but realities. Craft.
You see, they are just posting this picture, and that's it. So what you will do next, you will go. So let me show you. Just go to, okay, yes, go to Google and search for you become, search for this book, okay? You become what you think that we want to promote, and go to image, okay? Go to image, and here you go. You will find a lot of image here about this book. So for example, I'm gonna choose one of those pictures. You become what you think. Let's click on this one here, and here you go. This is the picture. Double click, and I will click on save image. I will save this picture to my laptop, and I will go back to Canva, and I will click here on upload, and I will upload this picture, this one. I will click on open, and here you go. So what you will do next, so first click here on elements, click on the search, and search for audio, okay, like this. Just pay close attention. Click on videos, okay, and here you go. You will find a lot of videos here, okay, that you guys can use. So for example, let me see if we can find a good one here. I'm gonna choose this one. I will click on this video here, like this. You guys can see. Just click on the video. Your video will be over here. Click on this 3 points. Scroll down. Click on set video as background, and here you go. And what you will do next, click here on upload. Go to your picture. Click on your picture that you download from Google, this one, and add your pictures like this. And I will make the picture like this. And here you go. You just made a video. It's super easy. Okay, let's check.
First up, the book emphasizes focused thinking. The author explains that your mind is like a GPS. Whatever you.
And here you go. So what you will do next, let me show you. What you will do is just click here on share after you finish editing your video. It's super easy. Click on download, and click over here on download, and this video will be downloading to your laptop. You see this? And what you will do next, okay, you need to join affiliate marketing programs, and so you can start promoting this book as an affiliate marketer and earn commissions. So here is what you will do. Let's leave this one to be downloading, and I will show you the final result. So here is what you will do next. Go to Google and search for Amazon Associate, okay? Click on the first link, on this link here, like this. You will be directly in this page. Click on sign up, and you will be again to this page. Click on create your Amazon account, and here you go. The sign up process is super easy with Amazon, and Amazon is trusted by millions, and people will buy the book from your affiliate link, and you will make commissions, okay, from day one. Okay, click on. So what you will do next, just put your first and last name here, your email address, password again. Click on create your Amazon account, and that's it. Sign up process is super easy, guys, and it's for free. And after you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Amazon Associates. Okay, I already have been doing this business, guys, for over 5 years, and just last year with Amazon Associates affiliate marketing, I made $139,753 in commissions promoting my affiliate links using free traffic. Okay, you guys can see this is the last year commissions. Anyway, this will be your home page. Okay, what you will do next, you will go to Amazon, go and open Amazon account after you finish your sign up process with affiliate marketing. Okay, open Amazon like this, click on the search and search for You Become What You Think. Search for this book that we want to promote. Scroll down and here you go, you will find the book here. Click on this one, click on the first, like this one. I'm gonna choose this one. This one is good. And scroll and you will be directly in this book page on Amazon. And to get an affiliate link for this product, for this for this book, click here on get link. Just click on get link, and here you go. This is your Amazon affiliate link that you can use to promote this product. Copy this affiliate link and go to YouTube. Okay, after you copy this link, you will go and open a YouTube channel like this one. Okay, it's super easy, and upload the video like this one and put your affiliate link in your YouTube description. It's super easy. Let's check the video. I think the video is done. Okay, let me check. It's super easy. Like you guys, this is exactly how you can start.
First up, the book
How you can start making money on YouTube from day one. Okay, you can start faceless YouTube channel like this one. You will get a video like this. You see this? Check this out.
First up, the book emphasizes focused thinking. The author explains that your mind is like a GPS. Whatever you focus on, your brain works tirelessly to bring it into your reality. So if you're constantly thinking about problems or limitations, guess what? You'll attract more of the same.
So you guys can see it's a really a good and professional video that it's your own video, faceless video, doesn't require to show your face or use your voice. You see this? We made the video. We can go and let me show you. You can go and start a faceless YouTube channel like this one and go back to Amazon like I said, copy your affiliate link and promote this product on Amazon. People who are interested and who want to learn more about this book, they will check your, of course, by the end of your video, include that you have, if people who are interested to learn more about this book, they can find a link for this book in your description, and they can buy this book from Amazon and they can learn more about this book that talk about you become what you think. It's super easy. This is the easy and the proven business that you guys can start with your faceless YouTube channel and make money from day one. And you will not keep waiting for those requirements for monetization, 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. You can monetize your channel with affiliate marketing like this one, and you can upload those videos are getting a million of views. Those some videos, if you go to YouTube and you search for audio faceless channels, you can find a lot that you can get inspired by, and you can learn a lot from those faceless YouTube channels. And you have millions of books that people will be interested to buy, and you just need to start promoting those books. This is the only method that you can use. Thank you so much for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like this video, leave a comment. If you are interested to see more videos like this, just comment YouTube automation or affiliate marketing, and I will start sharing with you guys a lot of methods for free. I do have also an affiliate marketing course for people who are interested. If you guys are interested, you can reach out to me in my email address. Inside my course, you can get access to all my profitable products or services that I'm promoting, how you can create content to promote those services, and so much more. How you can choose good and profitable services, good content,